Hey guys, it's me again. Welcome back to another how to draw video. Welcome to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw lycanroc dusk form. Silly me, I already did the dusk form. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the midnight form of lycanroc. Okay, so if you must know, lycanroc comes in a few different varieties. There's the midday, midnight, and the dusk. Today is the midnight form, and I know it's still daylight outside, but it's not like I'm trying to do this at midnight. That would be stupid. Anyways, I'm already getting started, so I always start with the ear. Okay, next up, here's his mane. There we go. Okay, there's his teeth. There's his face. So, next up, I gotta draw his, long spike. Okay, so next up are his arms. As you must know, his arms are really long. There's his hair. Next up is his other arm, right here. There we go. Okay then, and here we go. Here's his okay, there's his toes. And last up is his tail. There we go. That's how you draw a lycanroc. Oh wait, forgot to add this. And that's how you draw a lycanroc. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Be sure to subscribe soon, and I hope you guys are excited and pumped up for the next video. I'll see you guys soon.